Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today, my group 3, are going to present my project. This is group member, which is Ali Najib bin Zairi Faris, Chong Win Jun. Okay, and next, this is group member Farah Shahira binti Zil Husham and Muhammad Mukri bin Amir. And this is our project, which is a digital keypad door lock with LCD display. And this is we're going to show you the demonstration about either screen. In this video, the screen LCD will show waiting until the user will interfere with the sensor. In this slide, we're going to demonstrate how user interference. So when the sensor pick up the user interference, LCD will display welcome, please insert keypad. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how the correct password will show in LCD. So when we put our correct password, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, it will demonstrate or will display this is the right password.
Yeah.
In this slide, we're going to demonstrate how the keypad lock behave when we input a wrong password.